Hello friends, welcome to our home and welcome to our kitchen. Today we are doing part 2 of the 5-part series of that Pinterest kitchen look. Now last week we did the refrigerator. You saw me clean and organized the refrigerator. Next week we're going to be doing the pantry, and today we're just doing a little bit of kitchen tour to see what it's like, and then I'll do the following weeks all the drawers, at least 30 drawers in the kitchen. So let's get started on this tour. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Just by pressing that subscribe button below, you automatically become a member of our YouTube family. And by pressing the bell icon right beside the subscribe button, you'll be one of the first to be notified when the new videos are uploaded weekly. Let's start right here by the island. This is where the cooktop is. And moving right along the island here, we have this little vignette that we change out seasonally depending on the time of the year, of course. Right now it's summer, so it's a little bit of summer decor. Then of course there's the pantry here. And this wreath was one that I did last week on a special challenge or collab that we did with some other YouTubers. That was a lot of fun, and I have that there, and most likely we'll keep that there for a while. To the left of the pantry door is another piece of artwork. And to the right of the pantry door is another piece of artwork. So we move right by the refrigerator and the ovens. And last week I did clean and organized or reorganized the refrigerator, and next week of course we're going to be doing the pantry, and then weeks following I'm going to be doing all the drawers, so you'll get a chance to see every drawer in this house clean and organized. This is the breakfast area, of course. This is where I keep my little iPad for menus that I often check on. This is where we keep the paper goods, paper towel, and of course the regular towels for the kitchen. By the sink here I have this Basil plant, which I'm so excited to have. It's really pretty and growing really nicely. And then by the windows I have different plates from all over the world. This is from Poland, and then Hawaii, Washington, D.C., Italy, Montreal, Cayman Islands. And this little section here has all the lighters for the candles that we use. And I have a little propagation here for the spider plant that I just put together. And by the way, I should show, I forgot to, I'll show you the other propagation station that I have. So let's go back up there and look at the prop station that I have right here. So this is my other propagation station. It has the pothos in 2 different containers here, and the roots you can see really growing nicely, so I'll be able to transplant those later on. So this is actually by the kitchen sink, so that's just give me a little incentive sometimes to do the dishes right here. So that's my prop station right here. So we went over these already, Poland and Hawaii and Washington. Of course, we saw the basil already. And we saw these. Italy, I got that in Milan 2 years ago. And Montreal, maybe about 8 years ago. Cayman, a long time ago. And this is the other propagation station that has the spider plant. And then of course I have the candles and the lighters as well. We just keep that there. And we always have our fruit basket, always with lots of fruits. And right behind the fruit basket, we have Plymouth. And then my kids live in Stockholm, so that's from Sweden there. This is from Bosnia, and of course this other plate is from New York. So this is the counter space here, and you've seen this before because when I did the 27 tips of how to keep an organized home, then I did do show some of these items here, so there's no need to repeat, but I will definitely link that video or those videos in the playlist below so that you'll get a chance to revisit if you have not already. If you have seen that, then you can revisit. If you haven't seen it, then you can visit, of course. This is an open concept, so I'm just going to stick to the kitchen part of the tour. That's an overview of the kitchen. So we did show this in the last, one of the tips with having the Lazy Susan in the kitchen. This is on the dining table, and we change this around from time to time, but this is just a fun thing for the dining table to keep either flowers or a main dish or whatever is being served at the time. So we enjoy having this here. This is the kitchen from where we started. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope to take the time, of course, to subscribe to this channel. That is if you have not already done so. And if you have, as usual, I want to say a special thanks to you. I'm always, always very appreciative of your support. Don't forget, come back next week, because next Friday that is, because I'll be doing the pantry reorganization, and that you absolutely do not want to miss. I've done pantry reorganizations so many times before, and it's so much fun to get that organized, and this is the perfect time, end of summer of course, or close to the end of summer, to get that reorganized. So come back, I look forward to seeing you then. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you next Friday.